Half a century ago, the world was blessed with a new generation of brave and principled leaders who strongly opposed ignorance and hate, broke down barriers, built bridges, healed division and delivered a dream of peace amongst people and communities who had been sworn enemies. Tragically, we have leaders today who may be old but not mature, who may be bold but not wise, who are loud but reckless. Young people everywhere deserve leaders who confront ignorance, not exploit it. Leaders who harness the power of words to heal, not antagonise. Leaders who are loud and clear in their condemnation of hate, not loud and ambivalent about its incendiary impact. The young people of Wales have spent nearly a century sending a message of peace and goodwill to the young people of the world. Our loyalty is to country, but also to humanity and a higher good. Today, the world needs those qualities more than ever before, and tough people everywhere deserve leaders who subscribe to them and honour their heritage, not insult it.